Don wants to start videotaping my projects. I've been doing projects all over the house for years, and now I finally have decided to turn our shed into a workshop. I've been cleaning it out and getting it started and collecting my own tools. It's really excited when some of my big tools just came in a couple weeks ago, and I've been able to really start my projects, and it makes doing all of the work out here a lot easier when you have what you need. So the first videos are going to be of actually creating the workshop. Come to decide that the things that I tried for in my life is to get high on. When I sit alone, get a little. My work surface is exactly 4 inches high. So I'm going to build another countertop 4 inches low, and this is going to fit into that workspace. And then I've got platform on this side so that if I have long pieces of wood, they can go through side to side. Come to decide that the things that I tried for in my life is to get high on.
My mom is working on a table and a shed over there, and it's super fun putting these woods through the machine, and it makes them all move.
So I had to plane these boards down to the right thickness, which was twofold because it was really old material, so I needed to get rid of the old ugly parts anyway. This is all one nice level flat.
That's cedar.
I'm changing the doors.
Is it cedar?
It is cedar. I'm changing the doors from barn doors to swinging doors. And this is it, my workspace. Got my storage and my worktop for cutting, and my portable table saw and my planer, and all my tools. And the collection will grow, and I'll probably run out of room pretty fast. But for now, it's pretty good.